G'day friends, Zach, Kiana and Hunter. We've just had an epic adventure at Reef Beach, Bremer Bay, Western Australia. Beautiful blue water, rugged trails and serious off-road fun. Can't wait to share this adventure with you.
All tucked up, ready to go. Yay! This is where we are. We're going here. Woo! This is our car. Airing down. It's very nice. Got our new lights, nacho lights. All our stuff on top. That's it. Hello, man.
The track in is a mixture of soft sand and limestone rock, giving a little bit of challenge for the drive. Takes about 20 to 30 minutes from the start until we reach the beach, depending on the conditions and how you tackle it. Lowering the tyre pressure definitely helps with the sandy sections, and these limestone outcrops keep it interesting. Cliffs absolutely stunning. Endless ocean just stretching out, and the sand dunes, they're unreal. A mix of smooth rolling hills with sharp drops. Definitely the perfect spot to take it all in. Coming down onto the beach, and it looks like we have the whole place completely to ourselves. Let's go see if we can find a good campsite.
All right. Someone. Good one, Zach. Oh.
So we've just pulled up here, having a look at this magnificent view. Absolutely primo. We're just parked, I swear. I may or may not have not been paying attention and got a bit stuck. So we're already down to about 10 psi on all the tyres. So we'll dig it out, we'll put the boards under and see if that gets us out. Otherwise I might have to drop a couple of extra psi out the tyres and we should just pop straight out. I'll get back to digging, get these boards off the roof, and yeah.
nice. Okay, we'll go explore. Yeah. Yay! Mommy's Bogged. Oh, shakes.
We found the perfect site on the beach to set up our camp. First of all, we set up our outback sofa awning to give us some shade straight away. Next on to is to hook up our air tent to the compressor. And it's a great little tent. And of course, we set up under the watchful eye of our little supervisor.
So we found camp. We've started on the spot we found this morning. Just was the best one. The wind's kind of died down now, which is lovely. Sun's just dropped behind the cliff, so we will probably get some tea on the go while we've still got a little bit of light left.
Alright, check out the inside of our tent. Very nice, super spacious. Right, love these beams as well. Super sturdy. Amazing. Check it out, beautiful view. Nice little couch area. Stunning sunset. And that's our little setup for the night. Hey guys, we are set up at camp at the beautiful Reef Beach, Bremer Bay. Just about to cook some dinner. I'm making tteokbokki, which is a Korean rice cake dish. It's super spicy. We'll add some cheese, some garlic. It's also got some noodles in it, which technically makes it tteokbokki, but you know. So yeah, stay with us and we'll get cooking. So we've got the jet boils going now, just waiting for the pans to heat up. First I'm going to I've got oil in the pan. I'm going to add these little chicken bites. Usually I like to make Korean fried chicken to go with it, but you know, you're camping, can't be bothered. So I just got these from the frozen section at Woolies. They're great. We're going to add some garlic. These little meal kits, they have a sauce in them, which is super great, really easy. Again, sometimes when I'm at home, I like to make it from scratch, but just use this one. They're kind of spicy, but yeah, they're good. So quicker than my stovetop at home, this is heated up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these little chicken bites, get them cooking. It might take a little while. But I got these at Woolies in the Asian aisle with all the ramen and things like that. So just come in a little pack like that. And the powder for the sauce. This one's pretty spicy for me. It's fine for Zach, but for me I find this pretty spicy, so I usually only put half in. Alright. They are coming along now. Alright, so I'm just going to add some garlic. Just about 2 teaspoons. Add some soy sauce. Beautiful. Give that a stir. I'm going to add our packets, spicy seasoning. I've got 2 packs, so I'm feeling brave and I'm going to do 1.5. We'll see how spicy it is. And I'm going to add some water. I will put a proper recipe up with measurements because I don't really measure very well. Bit of a taste test. With some cheese, it'll be fine, not too spicy. Once we brought this to a boil, that's when we chucked the tteokbokki and the noodles and pretty much everything else in, and let it soak for about 5 minutes or so, and then we should be ready. Alright, the sauce is now dissolved and boiling. Chicken's ready, so we're going to put everything together. Start with the tteokbokki. And now the noodles. Let that boil and do its thing for a while. Okay, then we add the chicken in. Beautiful. And some spring onion. Easiest way, just scissors, I think. Straight in. Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage is really beautiful in it, but they didn't have any today, so. And sesame seeds on top is gorgeous too, but I forgot them, so. And add some cheese on top to melt. Yum. Oh. Let that melt. Have a look. Waiting for the cheese to melt. Looks pretty yummy. Sure Hunter would like some too. Yummy. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hunter. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. We'll blow the candle out. Ready? Yay! Okay, so you're lying in the tent bag, so we can't pack away the tent. We have to stay here forever. Hey, you mister.
We figured we'd go out the different way than the way we came in. It wasn't fun. Very narrow, lots of scratches on the car. So many scratches on the car. Should have just gone out the way we came in. Ah well, you live and you learn. of the tight scratching bush and we're rewarded with this beautiful view. Straight on top of the hill, and you can see for miles and miles. Really, really cool. This way out was a lot longer than the way in, closer to an hour as opposed to the 20-30 minutes it took to get to the beach. After all the scratchy bush, it did open up and it was pretty smooth sailing. Now that we're out, just time to air up. Kiana's making us a bit of lunch for us because we've got about an hour and a half drive back to Albany. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!